Do you see the tiny new, brand new sprouts?
Yeah.
So each time we have garden day, we've been adding more seeds because our goal is to have as many carrots as possible.
Look at this one.
That's right. Who knows what these are?
Oh, sunflowers.
Sunflowers. Look at the, do you see the bud?
Oh,
So some flowers grow their seeds right in the middle of the flower, but not all do that. The garden is a safe place that can be on any campus.
I got one.
It's also a place where you can grow food, and in that environment, we can connect science.
Pepper, banana, pepper.
We are all about hands-on, we're all about adventure and discovery. They get to taste what they've grown, so all of those things connect nature as a whole, but then with something tangible that they can watch grow and thrive on their campus. No salad dressing, right? We work with all different schools, from preschool to 5th grade, all across Houston.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
We don't feel like nature should be a connection for students just as a one-time field trip or a special occasion. It should be every day part of what they do at school.
Blue bonnet seeds.
Our kids get their hands dirty in the garden. They spend time playing in the woods. They spend time taking care of our chickens. And we know when they go back into class that they're ready to focus.
Come on, Sizzle. Come on, Sizzle. This is a special place for them where they're just happy to be here. And I think that's the biggest difference. If you're happy to be somewhere, excited to be somewhere, you're going to be successful. The garden and everything else that gets the kids outside is hugely important to what we do here.
Gets you back and connects you to nature, and the kids just love being outside, smelling the fresh open air.
How do you feel when you come to the garden?
Very, very happy. It's like really like bright, and it's like all her plants are like really happy. It's fun in her garden, and she's a really nice garden teacher.
Come on, let's go this way.
She has really brought our garden and our garden program to life, literally and figuratively. And we just feel really lucky to have her be a part of our Faye family.
You might see a little bug crawling on the lettuce. Is that a problem? No problem at all. Thank you so much for this award. It just means the world to me. I'm just so excited and thankful and blessed to do the work that I'm doing. So to be recognized for it just is a wonderful thing. So thank you.